Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Netlify, deploy static websites easily step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.netlify.com. Press enter to navigate to the Netlify homepage. Once the homepage loads, look for the sign up or login button in the top right corner. If you already have an account, click on the login option. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter the email address associated with your Netlify account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link to reset. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. Wait a moment while Netlify processes your login request. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Netlify dashboard. Here, you can see your existing sites and manage your deployments. To deploy a new static website, click on the New Site from Git option. Choose your preferred Git provider, such as GitHub or GitLab. Authorize Netlify to access your repositories if prompted. Select the repository that contains your static website code. In the next screen, configure the build settings if necessary. Make sure to specify the publish directory for your static files. Finally, click on the Deploy Site button to complete the process. Wait for Netlify to build and deploy your site. Once the deployment is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message. You can now visit your live site using the provided URL. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.